Oh, I'm very upset. I'm very nervous because I don't have English partner with whom I will share my feelings. I don't have British people. I don't have American people. I don't have Australian people, and I can't go to USA, United Kingdom, and I don't go to America. So how I will learn English? How I can learn English? Is it possible for me? So stop thinking that you can learn English. At the first time, you have to stop thinking that. You don't need to partner. You don't need to go to American. You don't need to go to another foreign country. You don't have British people. You don't need to have American people. Just try to listening every day. And right now I will share with you a story. And there was my friend whose name is Arif, and he was a very good boy. And when I talked with him in the coffee shop, he told me I was very nervous for learning English, and I was trying to learn English that time. So I was searching the so many way how can I learn English. So finally I got a way. The way was I listened to English every day at least 3 hours per day. Without listening 3 hours per day, I didn't go to my bed. Okay. When I was doing that every day, every single day, and after 6 months, it was huge different. It was huge different from previous day. Okay. So, and now I can speak English fluently. Now I can talk with the foreign country. Now I can talk with the foreign people, foreigner, and it's very easy for me right now what I will say. So he was my friend Arif, and he told me that. So if he can to learn English like that, so you can learn English, right? So you can learn English like that. Okay. So if you want to learn English, at the first time you have to remove your shy. At the same time you have to drop it your negative emotion, and you need positive action. You need positive emotion all time. Yes, I can do it, and I have to do it. I will do it. At the same time you have to act like a champion. Yes, I will do it. You can watch a movie, you can watch cartoon video, you can watch podcast video, you can watch drama video. So everything you can listen and watch. And if you listen and watch, and it will be save your memory, it will be save your mind, automatically, effortlessly you can learn English. So you don't need to go to America, you don't need to go to USA. No need to go to USA. So if you do that at the same time, if you follow some rules, in 6 months you can speak English fluently, and automatically it will be coming out from your mouth. It will be easy, and you can speak English fluently. So try to remove your shyness, try to remove your negativity from your heart and from your mouth and from your body, and action like a champion, do like a champion, practice like a champion, work like a champion, and think like a champion. You can success. From where you can get this kind of listening, from where you can download the listening part. So there are so many video and audio is available online. You can download from Chrome browser, you can download from YouTube, you can download from other social media. There are so many videos available. So download the video and put it in your mobile phone or iPad or computer or laptop or MP3, and listen and watch more and more, listen and watch and more, and it will be saved in your memory automatically. And within 6 months, if you do that, within 6 months you can speak English fluently. So in this video I tried to talk about the listening part, how is the importance of listening part. And if you listen English more and more every day, at least 30 minutes. So in this video I try to talk about the importance of listening. Can you learn English just listening? Is it possible? Yes, 100% possible, and you can learn English just listening. But you need some patience, and you have to continue listening every day, at least 3 hours per day. Every day you have to listening. So don't drop a single day. Every day listening 3 hours every day, and try to listen at the first time easy listening part. Easy listening, it's not hard, it's not advanced, so try to listening easy listening part at the first time. You can watch the easy cartoon video, and to which cartoon video watch the kids. So like that you can watch the kids cartoon video, and after some days when you will be some more advanced, then you can watch the more advanced listening. So if you do that in this way, you can speak English fluently, effortlessly, and fairly. So my dear viewers, and I will see you with the new video with the new topic. Take care, have a nice day, bye bye.